Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me an email and they wanted a video on my Control C and, well, actually they put the T. They want to know about T. This one and all these are Corel shortcut keys. This one is one I helped invent. I started doing it, and then my mentor, Roy Brewer, I had it working on my page size, but Roy made it work on any page size. So if you like that macro, this is a macro, and all these are macros. I mean, they're alignment type macros. The P is the one I use every day. Like if I draw a square and hit P, it puts it in the center of the page. But alternate C is a macro to have something rotate from the center of the page. So let's put this up here. And I've got it selected. I'm going to go alternate C. Look where it put the rotation. So now you're going to rotate around the center of the page. This is very, very helpful. More so than you might realize right now. The other one are all Corel. Let's use a circle. Corel's alignment macros. So I'm going to select both these and hit P and put it in the center of the page. If I want that little circle at the top, I'm going to hit T. If I want it to the bottom, I'm going to hit B. If I want it to the left, I'm going to hit L. Now, it put it to the left, so if you actually put P and then L, it'll move it over. Same thing with right. Now, if you select this one first, and then select this one and go top, it moved the big circle down. Well, you know what? Let me put it in the center so it makes a little bit more sense. So if you select the outer circle first, hold down the shift key and select the inner circle and hit T, it moved the big circle down. So what you need to do is select your little circle first, then your big circle and hit T. And then that way it moves it up. And then if you hit B for bottom, go back to P and then hit L, and then R. Now the other ones are EC. What EC does is very, very useful. I just used it putting these letters in here. Like I don't normally have these letters, but I have this letter here. I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to go E, which aligned it horizontally. And then I'm going to hit C that puts it in the center of the one I picked. So much like this, if I select these two and go E, so this doesn't have to be in the center of the page to do this. So I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to hit select both of them and hit E and then C. It put it in the center of your circle. Very useful when you're working not in the center of the page. Like I just real quickly drew all these letters off other boxes and put them in there. And I will put my email at the bottom of this video if you would like this macro. I love sharing it. You can't really fathom how important it is. And like the stuff I do, I'm going to draw a star, and I'm going to hit P so it'll be in the center of the page. Then I'm going to move it holding down the control button. And then I'm going to control D and make a duplicate of that, alternate C that duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 22.5 degrees. And then control D all the way around. So it put them around the center of the page. Very, very useful. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.